Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do the Bratz makeup challenge. So I'm going to do the Bratz makeup challenge with the Rasta because you know what? Because I have braid. So I have a picture with me. I don't exactly know her name, but she looks kind of cute and she has on braids like me. So that is the makeup look I'm going to do. And I want to hit the 3,000 subscribers, so please help me out and hit that subscribe button right now, like here. So I always start with my brows, of course, and then I do the rest. So let's go. What I do is I go in with the brush, make small strokes, and I noticed that the Bratz doll have thin eyebrows, but I'm gonna try to make my eyebrows as thin as theirs, but I don't know if it's going to work. But I'm trying to make my eyebrow as thin as a Bratz doll. So I'm going to just try and over exaggerate my eyebrows, like make them longer than how I actually used to do my eyebrows, because I noticed that the Bratz doll have like major eyebrows or a big eyes, so my eyes are a bit tinier. So we are going to stretch them eyebrows out, honey. I use the eyeliner pencil. It's the color 10. I love this brow pencil because it looks natural. It matches with my eyebrow hairs. So I love it, and it has a brush on the end. And today I'm going to use NYX Gotcha Covered color Sand. This one, I love it. I love this concealer. I fell in love because my sister has this concealer. So I love to use it, to borrow it, you know. I'm not stealing. I don't steal. Let's hope it's going to look how I want it to look. I just want to make it thinner. I still find it a bit too thick. So I'm just going to try and get into my hairs a bit. And if you have thin brows of your own, then it's much easier to be a Bratz doll, I must say. Today I'm going to use the Morphe eye primer. It's my first time using this actually, so I'm curious. I haven't used this, and see if it works for me. And if it don't, thank you. Next, thank you. Next. So I have taken my Huda Beauty palette, both Obsession palette, and I'm going to use that because I couldn't see any soft purples, and at the beginning I need some soft pinkish purple tones. So I'm going to use this color, and I'm just going to go under the brow. So now I'm going to go over with the Morphe palette, and I'm going to get on and get a purple shadow and just dab. I want to stay in the purple-ish tones, and then notice that the Bratz doll has a purple kind of tone here, and in the inner corner she ends it with like a white tone shadow. This one right here, purple up, because we want that Bratz cool look, you know. You can go a bit overboard and just be fun with it. You could see the Barbie doll had a white tone right here, so I'm going to take the Mauve Obsession of Huda Beauty, and I'm just going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes, you know, like this. like this. I know it looks crazy right now, but it's going to look good. I'm going to blend it. It's going to be alright. So we're just going to blend it out, you know, because you don't want to look like Casper the ghost, so you're going to blend it out. So I'm just going to be a bit dramatic and let it spread a bit. But I'm not done yet because she has a simple purple eye-ish look, but I wanted to give it a bit of a or how do you say oomph? So I'm going to back with my, and I'm just going to add this purple onto, so I have it on the center. Going to blend it out, of course, because the Bratz doll has a bit of a highlighter. So we're going to add and go in with the Morphe Boss Mood and add the whitest color there, and we're going to use it as a highlight at our brow bow. And we're going to get that, you know, that dollish shimmer. So I'm using the Essence eyeliner. I don't think it's the best eyeliner, you know, because it can be like kind of messy. So I hope it won't ruin my makeup. But let's see. I'm just going to make a thick liner. Look. I'm going to use the Maybelline foundation today, the Fit Me foundation, color Mocha 360. It's a dewy look. I'm going in for a bit of a cake face, so I'm going to use a bit of extra foundation. My own face natural Bratz doll look, and it's coming out well. I'm excited for the end result. I really do. So I already put my lashes on, and it's the Whiplash lashes, and I love it. It's lovely, it's dramatic. You know you have to be a bit dramatic to be a Bratz doll. So I put on my most dramatic lashes, and my favorite actually. I'm going to go ahead and add a bit of mascara on it, just to get it a flawless look. There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some powder under my eyes, and I'm using the regular banana powder. I feel like using the banana powder nowadays. I don't know. I'm using this sleek palette, the Sleek Powder Dark palette. Powder brush, and I'm just going to pat it in and wipe it away. So we are all powdered up. I'm going to take the Morphe palette again, and I'm going to take the shimmery I used for my Cupid's bow, not for my Cupid's, for my brow bow, I think so. I used for the highlight of my brow bow. I'm going to use it onto the cheeks. Ooh, wow, I'm loving this look already. So I'm just going to add that on my nose, and I'm just going to add it here just to get this dolly look ready. I just don't want to look crazy, so I'm just going to use my powder brush to soften it up a bit and give it a more warmy look. I'm going in with the Queen collection. That one is a bronzer, and I'm just going to use the bronzer to go a bit on top of my contour. Finish the warm look. And then the MAC blush Raisin, and I love this one. It's a soft blush and it blends well with my skin tone. I don't know. So now we are going to the lipstick. You know, I don't really have the lipstick color that the doll has, so I'm going to improvise, and I'm going to use the NYX Sweat liquid lipstick, and it's the color 06, and it's called Sway Emprise. So I'm going to mix that with the same collection of NYX liquid sweat, and I'm using Club Hopper, and I'm going to mix those both. So pray for me. I haven't tried it yet how it's going to look, but I hope it's not going to mess up this look. So I'm just going a bit over my lip line just to get that thicker Bratz lip. It's still light. Maybe I should have used the Club Hopper as itself. I'm not sure. I think so. I'm going to remove it. I'm not happy. It's not dark enough. So I'm going to remove the layer and try better. Yep, we got it. So you guys, this was the end of my video. Thank you for tuning into this video. I hope you like this, and I hope you like this Bratz dolls look. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and share this video. So till next time guys, bye bye. Hey, 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 oh.